Today we're installing garden edging. It's a flexible option to help you to design the garden the way that you want. First thing we're going to do is measure out how much garden edging we will need. Once you've measured it, all you have to do is roll it out and cut it. Measure where you need the bend, and to make a 90-degree angle, all we need to do is fold it and step on it. To fit the edging into the ground, we will need to dig a small trench. It needs to be about halfway into the ground for a nice fit. Once your garden edging is installed, fill in your garden with your choice of ground cover to finish it. There you go, a simple, long-lasting garden edging to keep your garden looking great.